Okay, guys, we on 2008 Mitsubishi Eclipse, and for some reason my cigar lighter is not working. You see, I got power on. There's no power at all. So I charge my phone, no power, and then I got a flat tire and the air pump right here. And before this air pump work, you need power in the car to make it work. But for some reason, we got no power. And I'm not gonna pay $2.50 out there to put air in my tire when I already have a pump here. So we gotta figure out how to get power in here. It's either two things. This could have problem or the fuel blow out. So let's get to it. Let me show you the tire first before we move to the other one. Alrighty. See that? That's flat. And so I have a problem. Always, if you have a problem from inside, you start from inside. If you have a problem out there, you start out there. So whatever problem we got going on right now on this car is starting from inside. So we got to look in the car for the fuel location. So this is my fuel compartment, whatever you call it. And you gotta know how to read the chap, man. The background chap, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, but this is it. You gotta learn how to read this thing first. If you can read this, look on YouTube. So the good thing is that this thing has extra fuels. So just in case we got any of this blow up, we can swap it with this. So let's get to it, man. Let's look in there and see what we got going on. Aha! See the problem? This motherfucker seems to be blue. Blue. Joe Blow. Let me show you what happened to it, man. Can you see that? Now you can. Where's the camera looking? Yeah, but anyway, that's my problem right there. You seen it? It's blew up. And let's see. That's a 15. And we ain't got no 15 here. You can put freaking turn it in there, man. It's not gonna hurt anything. They're all the same family, man. 15, 20, 25, 30. They're all the same family. Don't say J4 tell you, man. So that's a high voltage will climb me up. It's not gonna do anything. It's just 12 volt. They all receive 12 volt power. So let's put this motherfucker in and see what happens next. Alright. We got 20 in 15 spot. Now let's see what we got going on. Hey, got it working. Now let's see. Let's check this out. Let's check the air pump out and see. No way. There's power. Come on, bro. Hey! Escreveu, tio dele. Thanks for watching that. Bye bye.